DinaLicious 101. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some croquetas de atún. That would be some tuna croquettes. Keep watching. Let's go over the ingredients that we're going to need for our croquettes. So of course our main ingredient would be tuna, and I'm using tuna in water. This is my personal favorite. We're going to use a bell pepper, some onion, an egg. We're going to use half a tablespoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cilantro. And for this dish, I'm going to be using some coconut flour. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to chop up this onion in small little pieces. So, and I'm not going to be using a whole onion. I'm probably going to use maybe about 1/4. About this much. I think we're good on our onion. Now we're going to start on our bell pepper. Now, let me wash this out real quick and then I'll start chopping. Once we have our bell pepper like this, we're going to go ahead and chop it up into small pieces as well. Alright, now that we have everything chopped, we're going to go ahead and start mixing in our bowl of tuna. Keep watching. Now we're going to start pouring all of our ingredients in here and mixing this up, getting it ready to start prepping. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my egg, which I like to put in a separate bowl before putting it in there. I'm just going to go ahead and mix it a little bit. And what is the egg for? It's so that when we cook this, that it sticks. I'm making 3 cans of tuna, so I'm only using 1 egg. Now I'm going to put in my oregano, my salt, my cilantro, my pepper, my ginger. Okay, and now we're going to put in our mixture of onion and bell pepper. Now what you want to do is you want to mix this all in. Make sure it's very well mixed in. Make sure your tuna is broken down too, that there's no big chunks of tuna in there. You know what? I was actually only gonna put 1 egg, but I think I'm gonna put 2. And once it's all well mixed, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do small little patties so that we can go ahead and fry them. But we're gonna let this sit for about 2 hours after our patties are done so that everything kind of sinks in, especially like the egg. Make sure everything is stuck together well. Now I'm gonna get a little plate and put my patties in there on the side. Now make sure your hands are clean. I just washed mine. So you are gonna make them as big as you'd like. Now I'm gonna shape them into like a little circle here. Press them down. Make a little hole right here. Not a little hole, but just so that when we fry them, they're nice. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest, but this is pretty much what they're gonna look like once you have them in little patties. So we're gonna go ahead and put some aluminum foil on this and let it sit for about 2 hours. Keep watching. Our croquettes have been sitting now for about 2 hours. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna dip them in the egg. I'm gonna be using, like I said, some coconut flour, and then we're gonna start frying. So that's with, and I have here these. Now I'm going to be using, typically I cook with olive oil or avocado oil, but today I'm going to be using vegetable oil because I feel like it fries and it gives fried food a better flavor. So now we put them in here. And keep it together. So it should look like this, and then we're gonna go fry them. So I'm going to continue to do the rest, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like while they're frying. Keep watching. Now I have them ready here. So I'm going to go ahead and I've been heating up my stove. I'm going to put them in there to fry. Go, and I'm gonna leave it frying for a few minutes. This doesn't take very long to make, and I have this on medium heat. Look at that, so good. So we're gonna flip them after about a minute. Look at that, you have a nice golden brown color. fry them for about, I want to say like 5 minutes max, because they're really quick to cook. So I'm going to go ahead and finish frying these, and then I will go ahead and do the final product. Keep watching. And this is our final product, tuna croquettes on a bed of lettuce with some lime and some rice. Now, this is a very delicious meal idea, or it could be an appetizer. It's great for the summer. Look at that. And the white stuff that you see there, I just added a little bit of sea salt on top just for a little extra decor. Look at that. Yummy. Don't forget, as always, to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos each week. Also, don't forget to look me up on Facebook, DinaLicious Cooking 101. Thank you for watching. Bye!